Thanks. We're the Indigo Girls, and we play mostly little 5 points, which is right over there. So come out here sometime. Or you can buy our album, it's real cheap. Yeah. It's on sale at Wuxtree's Wax and Facts, Record Bar at Lennox, Turtles. Our apartments. Everywhere. Many is the time I've been mistaken, and many times confused. Yes, and I've often felt forsaken, and certainly misused. Oh, but I'm alright, I'm alright, just weary to my bones. Still, you don't expect to be bright and bold and far, so far away from home, so far away from home. I don't know a soul who's not been battered. I don't have a friend who feels at ease. I don't know a dream that's not been shattered or driven to its knees. Oh, but it's alright, it's alright. We've lived so well so long. Still, when I think of the road we're traveling on, I wonder what's gone wrong. I can't help it, I wonder what's gone wrong. And I dreamed I was dying, dreamed that my soul rose unexpectedly, looking back down at me, smiled reassuringly. And I dreamed I was flying high up above. My eyes could clearly see the Statue of Liberty sailing away to sea. I dreamed I was dying. When we come on a ship they call the Mayflower. We come on a ship that sailed the moon. We come in the age's most uncertain hour and sing an American tune. Oh, but it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. You can't be forever blessed. Still, tomorrow's gonna be another working day, and I'm trying to get some rest. That's all I'm trying, to get some rest. Thanks, y'all. God bless you. Have a good night. Happy graduation to Agnes Scott and Emery. Happy birthday to y'all. Thanks a lot for everything. We had a great time tonight. It's so special. Thank you.
I bet if we really tried, we could get them back up here for an encore. What do you think? What do you think, huh?
Okay, we're gonna do a sing-along. We want everybody to sing, because it'll be really cool if we have a lot of voices going on this one. This is a song about brotherhood, sisterhood,
Fatherhood and
peoplehood, childrenhood, Robin Hood, Robin Hood. Grass collectors. This is a song that Jesse Cullen Young wrote, and it's a really easy chorus. And this is kind of like what we feel like about people.
Yeah. It'd be great if we get some voices going. Don't be shy. You probably had a glass of wine already.
And if you didn't, it's so beautiful outside, you know. Just one key unlocks them both. It's there at your command. Hurry up, sing it now, come on. Come on, people now. Smile on your brother, everybody get together. Gotta love one another right now. I'm gonna do it till we hear you. Come on, real loud now. Come on, people now. Smile on your brother, everybody get together. Gotta love one another right now. Gotta love one another right now. Try to love one another right now.
Thanks a lot.
Remember that when you go home. Think about it all week.
Good night.